Crabby Bill here. Crabby's mountain spot on a Friday night. Raining out there. Got my son, Stevie Lifts. Got the big girl, Quinn. The only way she'll eat is if you hold the container for her. First, we had it in the wrong bowl.
Yep.
And then we figured out it has to be in plastic because she doesn't like to hear the jingle of the metal bowl. She just likes to drink her water out of that.
Hey, come back here.
She's going to torture her brother,
Hey,
just like I do with the camera.
Quinn.
Got Captain Dan with us. Got plans for tomorrow. Going to the range.
Oh, yeah.
The blank range. So it's raining right now. Dan's out there reading a book. I just blew up the lawnmower. And going to have a nice weekend. Weather's not supposed to be 100%. But it's only supposed to rain in the afternoon. We're going to try to get this dog to eat. Last thing we do is need to take her home. Not weighing 157 pounds. Her mother will be after us. We brought her up here because Crabby can't take care of her down at the beach house. It's too many steps. She's got to be carried up. So we'll get her to eat. Check back. Be at the rifle, heading to the rifle range or at the rifle range in the morning. We'll check back. Good morning. Crabby's mountain spot. Saturday morning. Rained most of the night. Not so bad. Beautiful morning. Got breakfast going. Gonna get ourselves together. Gonna head to the range. Spend the day planking. Gonna have some pancakes first. No projects. Wanted to cut the grass. It's a good 14, 15 inches high in spots. Something knocked over the firewood. Don't have any projects. Maybe stop and buy a new lawnmower. Because my $50 lawnmower that lasted 7 years will last no longer. Get the guys up. Let's get this breakfast going.
Hold on, I'll be there eventually.
Now let it fire as fast as you could pull that trigger. If you do the first few regular.
Up and to the right. Up and to the right.
Party animals here, just waiting for their lunch. He was born ready. King of the naps. Let's see what we got on this griddle. Burgers, that's what we got. Bacon burgers coming your way. Couple of pieces of venison there too. Yep. I'm too good to these people. They'll be both be sound asleep 5 minutes after they eat. I got the lawnmower running. I just spent 2 hours out there getting it running. Had cutting the grass. And look who slept through it. Look at that right there. Slept through 2 hours of the lawnmower running. I don't even think he rolled over. It's well past dinner time. Oh, look at that. That's right, folks. I'm back at it. Got some potatoes going on the griddle. A couple of steaks on the grill. Look, there's Captain Dan and Stevie Lips waving. Even Quinn got an extra egg put in her dinner tonight. Got a one gripe though. We got a one gripe. One gripe. Danny was carrying on, and we have apple pie for dessert. And you know, Crabby went out of her way to get all this stuff for us, all these steaks and burgers and all that. But first thing Danny said was, "I didn't see any ice cream." So we have apple pie with no ice cream, but you know, we got these steaks here cooking and potatoes and mac and cheese and asparagus in there. So. I'm going to try to get this done so these two could stop staring at me. We'll see how this goes.
Firefighter Marco Lopez. Lopez. Firefighter Jeff Kelly.
How's it looking?
Dr. Paradise.
And cooked the way you like it?
Mine said ouch. So
You're not going to call your mother or nothing?
No, call my wife.
No, yeah? I'm afraid of her. She
She
doesn't like the way bacon and scrapple smells when she cooks in the house. You know what I told her? I don't like the way you smell.
I just thought you guys would like a look at the new chief.
She's all
Now it is.
offended by that.
Well, Hank, read me your crew.
Sir.
And I look forward to Friday's trip.
Friday's trip. Oh, I had
Sure. Sounds like Jake the Fox. There he is. Jake the Fox just went cruising on by. Home from Ohio.
That's stuff I don't want to do because it's like kind of holding up the rest of the car.
Okay. All right. Please don't tell your mom I made you do something. What did you say about the ice cream?
What ice cream?
Exactly. What are you eating, Dan?
Apple pie.
What's the matter?
It's awfully dry with no ice cream.
I asked Dan to keep an eye on the bacon and stuff. Well, I ran inside. He's standing guard. Look at him.
Switch to where we had it.
That's-
You're hotter on the outside than the
Yeah.
inside. So I took these two from here to there and we put the two in there.
I'll write that down.
Okay, thanks.
All right, son, go ahead. Just in case. Let's see what happens here. And you. Well, that was pretty uneventful. How come when I do it, I get stung in the face and you laugh?
Because it's funny when it's not you. The same reason you guys were filming
Nothing.
it in case I got stung.
Well, we just wanted proof that we didn't kill you, that it was the bees that killed you.
Yeah.
Not,
Try harder.
not. All right. All right. The job for today is to take that branch down that's on the electric line. It's gotta go. And I got these two over here to do it. What's the odds? Huh? Oh, there you go. All right. It's on.
Wait, it might be.
You good there, Dan? If he lowers it down, you can scooch it out. Right? Yeah. I can't see. Get the end result, which that became the end result. Branch is down. It's down. And guess what? The electric wire is still up. Branch was a lot bigger than it looked from down here. That's a big branch. Hey, you're halfway through. You're halfway through that branch.
You might have to pull it on this end.
You may have to finish cutting. You know what? If you can, two people do it. Take the one line that's in Steven's right hand to like on the other side of the tree, Dan. Come around the other way of the tree. All right, lumberjacks, we are not. What a fiasco.
Hey, we don't work hard. We work smart. Not.
The branches are down, all of them. The next step was getting a chainsaw and taking the whole tree down. The hand chainsaw, the hand chain with the ropes got stuck in the tree. Ay, ay, ay.
But all in all, it was a lot of fun.
It was pretty neat though doing it. I never really was standing so close to somebody having a heart attack. And then I should have wore a belt. So my
Steve, hold my pants up and I use
What?
this hall cutter, please.
all right, well, we got Quinn outside, so I'm going to go in and sweep the floors while she's out here. Because if not, I'll have to sweep around. Stay out here with your brother.